Peter's first Easter. It's Easter, and Mopsy is hopping through the woods on a beautiful spring day. She comes across chicks, ducklings, lambs, and other friendly springtime animals. When Mopsy and her sisters arrive at Peter's Easter picnic, they find a special surprise. What could it be? One little bunny rabbit hops outside to play. What will Mopsy find on this sunny Easter day? She looks high and low to see spring all around, while her two playful sisters tumble on the ground. Cottontail sees a hen lie in a nest of sticks. Inside are three newly hatched Easter chicks.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Four fluffy ducklings waddle through the trees, crashing into flowers and distracting busy bees. Five little dormice wake from their cozy sleep, as Flopsy sees a lamb play beside its mummy sheep.
Ba, ba.
Who do they spot as they all sit down to eat? It's Peter with a very tasty treat. Happy Easter!